Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there, this is me Danish Zehen from ashvircreations. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well, today in this video we are going to make a unique photo manipulation with neon lights. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos, and log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, PNG, color lookup, camera presets, lightroom preset just for free. So before wasting time, let's get to the Photoshop. Open the image which you want to get your edit. Now select the image using quick selection tool from here and select the plus icon from here. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the brush from here, brush size menu, or you can simply press bracket key from the keyboard to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Now just roll all over the body of the subject to make it selection. Now again we have to use the same technique which we are using every time, that is to select the hairs. We're gonna do is just right click on it and select and mask option from there, and just roll on the edge of the subject to make it selected, and just do like this way. Now make sure you have selected this second brush and just press OK to make it selection. Now right click on it and select layer via copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the selection of the particular area which you have selected. Now here we have done our selection or the copy of image which we want to edit. Now all you have to do is just open the background which we want to place behind this. So we'll go to the file, then go to the open and just select the background which we want to add in this image. So let's select a background. Here is the background. Now press Ctrl A to select all, press Ctrl C to copy, and just press Ctrl V to paste it. Now all you have to do is to go to the edit, select the free transform, or you can directly press Ctrl D from the keyboard to make it transform, to increase or decrease the size. Just like this way you can increase the size of the subject. Now if you want to increase the size of the whole canvas, so I want this background canvas to be our final image, so I'll just select the control from the keyboard and left click of the mouse so that it will select the area which you want, and just crop it. Press crop tool from here and just press enter, and here it will be automatically cropped for you. Let's make some more adjustments. Suppose I want to move this a little bit. Again just do the same thing, press C and just enter. Now all you have to do is just go to the levels and just click this below icon, and you can just move the slider from left to right and also from right to left to increase the brightness of the subject. So this way you can increase the brightness of the subject. Here you can see the before and after effect. And again you have to do the same thing. If you want to increase the brightness of the background, then just duplicate this layer and press OK, and just move it below this layer. so it will increase the brightness of the background. Now the second thing, main thing, is to blur the edge of the subject. First of all, we will just merge both the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Now it is very important to blur the image on the edge of the subject, so it won't look like we have edited. So we will select the blur tool from here, go to the strength to around 100%, select soft edge brush and just roll on the edge of the subject to make the edges a little bit of blur. Just roll it like this way. This way you have to blur the edge of the subject so that it won't look like we have edited one, so it will look like a real captured image, which we actually want. It should be looking like we have captured from the camera. It won't look like we have edited this photo. So it is very important to blur the edge of the subject. This way you have to blur the background edge of the subject from every part of the image. Also let's blur from here too. So here we have almost completed our blurring process. And that's it. Now the next thing is to give some effect to the photo. So I will go to the color lookup from the adjustment layer and select the loot file from here. Whichever the loot is more suitable for you, you can select it from here. Let's say this is more looking perfect. Now if you want to change some kind of adjustment, so I will go to the hue and saturation from here and select red color and change the red color to little bit of yellowish color. So we'll go to the +2, increase the lightness from here, so that the skin color would look very natural and realistic. You can decrease the saturation to -2, and here you can see the huge difference on the face. It looks like our natural skin. Yes, we have almost done. Now let's create new layer and just go to this rectangle tool and just make a strip a little bit and just paint it to white color or the grayish color. Let's make it more white and press OK. Now all you have to do is go to the filters, go to the blur and just go to the Gaussian blur. Now just blur the strip as much as you can. Make it approximately to 90%. Here we have blurred the strip. Now press Ctrl T to transform it. Now just rotate it and just increase the size and just place it over the leg portion. and hit OK. Again you can duplicate the layer and press OK to make more blur. Now if you don't want this area in this portion, so we will just select this subjects by pressing Ctrl, right click on it and select inverse and just delete it, and also just delete it from here, or you can just erase it by selecting the eraser tool and just increase the size and just erase it a little bit from here. This is how you have to make blur on this, make the Gaussian blur strip above the subject. If you want to add some smoke, then you can add it. Let's go to the open. This is an extra thing which you want. If you want, you can do it, otherwise it is okay. But I want to add some smoke, so I'll just select smoke from here, just drag and drop it to this layer, press Ctrl T to transform, change the blending mode to screen. And just remove this smoke over here. Now again you can, if you want to add some more, then you can duplicate it and just place it below the subject layer. Press Ctrl T to transform it, just rotate that one. And just press OK. Here we have added smoke on the photo. You can also add if you want. Let's decrease the opacity. Just move this both layer below this layer and just press OK. So finally here we have completed our Danish Zehen photo manipulation. It will look like a Danish Zehen photo. Now just merge all the layers, press crop tool to crop it. And here is finally we have done. You can see the before and after effect. So finally here we have completed our editing process. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will notify whenever I post new video, and log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, PNG, color lookup file and every kind of photo editing material for free. Well, thank you for watching. Bye bye till the next video.